destroy the German heavy artillery positions with our howitzers. Attack on the south front and withdraw when the panzers arrive. Attack and break through their northern front. Stand your ground and stop the German counterattack with the help of the Air Force. Break through the second enemy defense line.
Unità nemiche!
Gentlemen, we have been preparing for this day for months. We have superiority in numbers, but the enemy has dug in and mined the whole area. We cannot expect an easy victory. We need to tear the enemy defenses down piece by piece. The first step, destroy their artillery batteries with our long-range howitzers. The howitzers are ready to shoot. Howitzers are ready to shoot. That barrage inflicted only a little damage. Long-range artillery is ready to provide fire support. That barrage inflicted only a little damage. The howitzers are ready to shoot. Few hits. The howitzers are ready to shoot. Only a few hits. The howitzers are ready to shoot. That is what I call effective fire control. Long-range artillery is ready to provide fire support. Attack in the south to lure their panzer reserves there. That way the northern front will become vulnerable for our main assault.
Yes, sir. Awaiting orders. Awaiting orders.
Bersaglio in vista.
Yes, sir.
Coordinates, sir?
Infantry reporting for duty.
Fire at the target.
Machine gun.
Coordinates, sir?
Hostile units.
Got it!
Porto sul bersaglio.
Target destroyed.
Attack! Open fire! Come on! Attack! Attack!
Orders. Machine gun moving. Hostile units spotted.
We are ready, sir. Yes, sir. Any orders, sir? Open fire! Eliminate them! Yes! Eliminate them! Target destroyed! We are ready, sir.
Dust.
Fire!
Any orders, sir? Moving, sir. Moving, sir.
Vehicle is operational.
Enemy sighted. Orders? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ready, sir. Fire at the target! Ready, sir. Fire the gun! Ready to attack. Attack! Target destroyed! Attack! Yes, sir.
Awaiting orders.
The targets. It worked. Robust panzer reserves are inbound. Withdraw immediately. Now is the time to launch our main attack.
Eliminate them.
Clear a path through the minefield and run them down.
Destroyed. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fire at the target. Infantry ready. Infantry moving. Infantry reporting for duty. Yes.
Ready to attack. Affirmative.
Infantry ready. Yes, sir. Moving.
Transport ready. Yes. Ready, sir. Yes.
Any orders, sir? Come on! Yes, sir. Infantry moving. Hostile units! Destroyed! Yes, sir. Attack! Yeah! Shoot them! Shoot them! Got it!
Feindlicher Ein.
Infantry on the move. Fire! Orders? Machine gunner reporting for duty. Enemy! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah! Shoot them! Infantry ready. Bullseye! One more bite. Come on! Fire! Any orders, sir? Come on! Any orders, sir? Yes? Yes. Ready, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Any orders, sir? Yes, sir. On the way.
Feuer!
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Ready, sir. Yes. Yes. Affirmative.
Shoot them. Any orders, sir? Attack! Got it.
Ready to attack.
Hostile units spotted.
Ready, sir.
Yes. On the way!
Ready to attack. Come on! We are ready, sir. Affirm.
Machine gun, oiled and ready. Target destroyed! Shoot them! Moving!
Any orders, sir? Any orders, sir?
Shoot them! Bullseye! Ready, sir. On the way!
Yes?
Moving, sir.
Yes?
Infantry reporting for duty. Yes. Come on! Awaiting orders. Infantry reporting for duty. Infantry on the move. Enemy sighted! Kill him! Target destroyed!
Fire!
Infantry on the move. Infantry on the move. Hurry up!
We are ready, sir.
Fire!
Vehicle is operational. Affirmative. Vehicle is operational.
Yes, sir. Moving, sir.
Look out! German reinforcements coming from the west.
Moving, sir.
It seems they haven't committed all the reserves to the south. Clever move from the desert rocks.
Watch the dust.
No matter. Call in the Air Force and destroy them.
Yes, you've received additional air support. Target in sight.
Got it! Hurry up! Yes, sir. Transport ready. Moving, sir. Flying to destination.
You've received additional air support. Ready, sir.
Hostile unit! Flying.
I need a medic! I need a medic! Machine gunner reporting for duty.
Medic moving.
Awaiting orders. Infantry on the move. Infantry moving.
Ready to attack. We are ready, sir. Any orders, sir? Moving, sir. Yes, on the way. We are ready, sir.
Infantry reporting for duty.
Any orders, sir? Moving, sir.
You've received additional air support.
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes.
Yes, sir. Infantry reporting for duty.
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Yes, sir. Medic! Got it.
Yes, sir. Medic moving.
Ready to attack. We are ready, sir. Ready, sir. Vehicle is operational. Orders? We are ready, sir. Yes, sir. Moving. Orders? Ready to attack.
Infantry ready. Got it.
Reporting for duty. Truck reporting for duty.
Come on.
Flying to destination.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any orders, sir? Moving, sir. Orders? Vehicle is operational.
You've received additional air support.
Yes, sir. Come on!
Any orders, sir?
Medic moving.
We are ready, sir. Got it? Ready to attack. Moving! Moving! Flying to destination. Enemy! Moving, sir. Hurry up! Moving, sir.
Affirmative.
Affirmative.
Ready, sir.
Hurry up!
The enemy is weakened and on the brink of collapse. Launch a final push and break through their second defense line.
Got
You've received additional air support.
Got it. Target in sight. Moving.
Reinforcements arrived.
Yes. On the way. Copy, tower.
Fire at the target!
Yes, sir. Awaiting orders. Affirmative. Destination acknowledged. We are ready, sir.
Reporting for duty. Reporting for duty.
Copy, tower.
Infantry moving.
Affirmative.
Moving.
Destination acknowledged. Enemy! Destination acknowledged. Ready to attack. Yes. Moving, sir. Reporting for duty. Vehicle is operational. Vehicle is operational. Orders? We are ready, sir. Moving. Ready to attack. Yes. Yes, sir. Hostile unit spotted. What are the coordinates?
Hurry up! Infantry reporting for duty.
Any orders, sir? Fire!
Infantry reporting for duty.
Vehicle is operational.
Ready, sir. Infantry on the move.
Enemy destroyed!
Got it. Infantry on the move. Moving, sir. Enemy sighted. Got it.
We're ready, sir. Eliminate them! Ready to attack. Open fire! Target destroyed!
Orders? Infantry reporting for duty. Any orders, sir? Hurry up! Affirmative.
Yes.
Full time.
Ready to attack. Yes.
Yes, sir. Got it. Come on!
Vehicle is operational. Got it. Moving, sir. Moving, sir. Moving. Hurry up!
The enemy is broken.
Come on! Affirmative. Yes, sir. On the way! Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Orders? Moving, sir. Any orders, sir? Affirmative. Ready, sir.
Yes. Moving, sir. Orders? Infantry moving.
Ready to attack. We are ready, sir.
Yes, sir. Infantry ready. Yes, sir. Reporting for duty. Ready for battle. Any orders, sir? Awaiting orders. Machine gunner reporting for duty. Awaiting orders. Come on! Yes, sir. Ready for battle. Affirmative. Reporting for duty. Yes. Infantry moving.
Got it. Yes. Any orders, sir? Yes, sir. Vehicle is operational. Got it. Yes, sir. Moving the gun. Affirmative. Vehicle is operational.
Feindliche Einheit. Feuern aus allen Rohren!
Destination enemy! Fire! Fire!
Excellent job. Your cunning leadership has just won us another battle.
November 1942. Ever since we beat them back at Alam el Halfa, the men of Panzer Army Africa have been dug in just west of El Alamein, waiting for us to come and do something about it. After 2 years of back and forth battles, though, this time our leaders wanted to settle things once and for all. Montgomery and Alexander waited patiently until we had amassed twice as many men and vehicles as the Axis forces before unleashing a mighty attack on two fronts. First, our artillery opened up, taking out the enemy batteries in the north so our infantry could advance forward into the minefields and start clearing a way forward for the tanks. Meanwhile, we launched a diversionary attack in the south, drawing the enemy panzers away from the target area. Our plan worked a treat, and when the time came for the big push, our troops in the north surged forward, smashing through the enemy lines. Among the ground forces, it was once again our armor who proved most impressive. General O'Connor trained them to the highest level before he got captured. He'd have been proud of his boys today. Eventually, Rommel could see his men had been soundly beaten, and he ordered the retreat. Panzer Army Africa are now scuttling back towards Mersa Matruh and Sidi Barrani. We've definitely got them on the run now, and I hear the plans are afoot to chase them all the way back to the Halfaya Pass, and even on to Tripoli itself. Finally, it feels like the tide of this war is turning in our favor.